Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to use Zelle with Educator's Credit Union so you can send and receive money quickly and securely. Let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the Educator's Credit Union mobile apps from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have it, open it and log in with your username and password. After logging in, head over to the main menu and look for the Jelly option, usually found under the Transfers or Payment section. Tap on to get started. If it's your first time using Jill, you will need to enroll. Enter your email address or mobile number and link it to your educator's credit union account. Jill will send you a verification code. Enter that code to complete your enrollment. Finally, once enrolled, you can send money by selecting a contract from your phone or entering the recipient's email or mobile number. Enter the amount you want to send, add a memo if needed, and hit send. The recipient will be notified and can receive the money directly in their bank account. And that's it. You have now set up to use Zelle with educators, credit union to send and receive money with ease. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.